Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and it's Rush from More Reviews. So we're here again on the channel with another review. This is basically a property update. First of all, let's get the formalities out of the way. If you're new to the channel, just click that subscribe button. I know you probably watched a few videos before. You haven't yet subscribed, so just click the subscribe button and join the Rush from More Reviews. Remember to like the video and definitely leave a comment on this video as well, as soon as you have watched it or during the course of watching it as well. Remember, if you want to make a donation, we have PayPal and other options as well in how you can donate to the channel. So today, I know you already seen the title. We're right outside of a new government-funded development by the partnership between NHT and HAJ, which is National Housing Trust, and Housing Association of Jamaica. So this is the proposed Catherine's Estate. Grounds were broken by the Prime Minister, the Honorable Andrew Holness. The plan is to make 1,650 homes available to the public, through NHT or whatever other means. And this is the proposed location. So we're just going to take some glimpses of the location. Not much work there as yet. They're basically just in the initial stages of construction, so not much to see. They also have security on the facility, so I can't get to go on there, but that's not a problem. The two construction or building that's on the facility right now will be demolished anyway, because what happened in 2012, this project was gonna begin, but there was some disagreement between HAJ and the then partner company, so they had to scrap that project. And now in 2020, there's a new agreement between HAJ and China Harbour Engineering to develop this plot of land and turn it into the Catherine's Estate. So it's right outside of Portmore. It's on the Saltpan Road, which is close to the Spanish Town bypass as well. So that's basically where we at. Alright, so this development will consist of 1 bedroom and studios as well. And you'll have the option to expand. For the lot sizes, it will range between 2,400 square feet and 2,800 square feet. For the studios, it will be 237 square feet, and then the 1 bedroom, 367 square feet. So those are some of the sizes. Costs will range between $5.5 and $6.5 million. So that will give persons that are contributing to the NHT the chance to be able to purchase, because we know the maximum funding from NHT is 6.5. So this is the ongoing project, and it's 6.5 mil per person. So if you're in a partnership or a marriage, you can put both together if the cost is more or whatever the case is. And again, to just be more specific, because I know there's a lot of persons overseas that watch the videos that probably even want to get one of these properties as well. It's 6.5 million Jamaican dollars. That will be the cost for the 1 bedroom and 5.5 for the studio. So the project has just started. Not a lot of work as yet. A lot more to come. But this is the newest project from the government, the Catherine's Estate, and it's next door to the Grace Kennedy Distribution Center as well. That's right beside the property. So I'll go outside, show you guys around a little bit, and as usual, you guys just remember to leave your comments. So thanks again, thanks for watching, and let's take a look outside closer to the property. And the other thing as well, it's right beside the highway. That's Highway 2000. So that's exactly where it's located. Alright guys, so just a moment, let's step on outside. All right, so that's the location. And then right behind it is the grease location as well. All right, so that's the highway over there, and all this property will be developed. And then this is the Grace Kennedy Distribution Center that they're expanding. Alright guys, so this is a closer look. Not much work as yet. Alright, so those were the model units from in 2012. So these will be demolished. And I guess this is like an office complex here. And I guess probably right here is the new model unit that they're building. So once it's finished, I guess we can come back. Maybe that's the studio. So I guess we can come back and take a better look. Alright, so just a quick update on the St. Catherine's Estate, new development by the government. And then this is Grace Distribution Center. Alright guys, so we're able to talk to someone on the property and we get a quick permission to take a look at the model unit. I think this will be the studio. It's just a box frame right now, so nothing much to see. So when it's finished and framed out, then I'm sure they'll be having, you know, like an open house, so you'll be able to see much better in terms of the size and everything. So this should be the model unit in terms of the studio. Those two are the older properties, a 1-bedroom and a studio. We'll just take a quick walk through. Even though they're gonna get demolished because they're gonna come up with a newer design which should be a little bit bigger. And then over this side we have one that is framed out a little bit, so you have a bathroom section. Probably this is the 1-bedroom, and again they are expandable. You'll have the option to expand, so it's just a starter home for, you know, low-income earners, for young people, for everyone that doesn't own their home. So they'll have a bathroom section, a 1-bedroom, a kitchen area as well. So this looks like the 1-bedroom. And again, we'll be back once the open house is happening, and again that's Grace over that side. Alright, let's take a quick look on the older unit and then we're finished for today. And as you can see, the sun is setting, so you know what time of day it is. Alright, so these will be some of the pipes for irrigation and other stuff. So this is the studio. So you see a little bathroom. There have been a little kitchen around this side and the studio. And then over this side was the older proposed 1-bedroom. And as usual, guys, thanks for watching so far. Thanks for all the support. Catchings Estate, newest development on the block. Alright, let's take a quick run through. So kitchen area was here, living and dining. A little bathroom would have been here. And then the 1-bedroom here. So it will be very good now to see what the new designs are as soon as they're finished. Alright guys, if you've reached this far in the video, thanks for supporting, thanks for watching, and a lot more to come on the St. Catherine Estate. Alright, remember to subscribe, like, share, and if you want to donate towards a drone, that would be good. I guess when this property is finished, if we have a drone and be able to get some aerial shot, that would be superb, that would be epic. Alright guys, see you on another discovery, see you on another development. Alright, let me go check on my vehicle. I got a chance to park it on the property. So all this land will be developed, 1,650 houses.